Hi, I'm Dave from Smucker Exteriors. Our goal here is to be your preferred exterior contractor for roofing, siding, gutters, windows, doors, decks, and more. So our crews strive to embody quality in all we do and provide each homeowner with an excellent experience with solutions unique to your needs.
When you first reach out to us, we schedule a discovery meeting, a time for one of our knowledgeable salespeople to meet you in person, to hear your vision and goals for your project, and to get the necessary measurements. We collect this information and present a proposal either in person or by email. At any point, we're happy to answer questions, address concerns, or explore new ideas.
Once you're happy with the proposal, 3 things happen. 1, we turn your proposal into a contract with the scope of the work, showing our promise to you.
Number 2, we collect the down payment and schedule the project.
And 3, we confirm all details such as colors, options, measurements, materials, etc. If you ever have any concerns or any surprises, we are either on site or just a phone call away, and we provide frequent updates as the job progresses.
Lastly, with the job complete, we do a final inspection to make sure everything is as it should be and you are completely satisfied.
Many homeowners want a fresh exterior for their home, but get worried about choosing the right contractor.
With Smucker Exteriors, you get a beautiful home that is dry, safe, energy efficient, and a favorable experience along the way.
Contact us today to get your free quote. We'd love to help you.